Um, well, I'm going to be doing a gameplay on Hungry Shark World. I used to have Evo. You probably know that. And this game is a little different. And I know that this is kind of the sequel to Evo, even though it wasn't made by the same exact people. I don't know. I know. I know that. Oh my gosh, when will this load? Load. I know, eating rubbish does hurt yourself. Here we go. Ah! He ate me. He ate me. It's kind of laggy at first. Takes a little bit of time. Wow. Let's say tubing along in my 6'4". Oh, dude, he escaped that. Oh, he about escaped it. I got him back there. Oh, there's a U. It's not double U, though. Oh, there we go. I'm a tiny shark. I really just started the game. Come on. No. Oh no. I need a small shark. Small shark and above. Right now I'm currently super tiny. Extra tiny. Whatever you'd like to call it. Haven't found a gemfish yet, which is what I want to do. Ooh, what's this? Oh, you need a large shark for that. I don't even have a small shark. I can't even do the bone thing. Ooh, what's this? Ooh, I got a lot of coins from that. I'm starving. Oh, whale! I need extra, extra large. Ooh, gemfish! Let's catch the gemfish. Whoa! Oh, I tried to avoid the mines. I couldn't. Where'd the gemfish go? I'm starving. It's not a good thing. Let me eat these! Oh! Well, let me just watch a free ad. Okay, so here we go. Come on. Oh! Wasn't a good thing. Over here. Oh no. Not you. Turtle. Hey, scuba diver. You're not gonna hurt me. Because you're gonna die. Maybe you won't. You have to die. What can I kill? Human! My fin is above the water. She swam right towards me. Oh, because she got away. Because she's so fat. Yeah, there we go. Hit 3 small turtles. Hey, there's Dory. Dory, get back here. Dory. Back here. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Oh no! Crap! Boom! No! No! Get it back here! There we go! Got him. Oh! Almost! There we go! That was perfect. Okay. What do I need in the pause? Oh. Okay, I'm tapping them. Do I get the coins now? Don't I? I completed it. Do I tap it? It's not letting me tap it. I know I'm kind of quiet. You! There we go. So close. No! Boom. He's dead. That's why you don't mess with a shark. Especially don't kill one. Sunken battleship. Let's see this. Clownfish. No! Well. There we go. There we go. Can't have a pet yet, can I? I can buy this. But I want the Pikachu Torch. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it's kind of a short video, considering this is my first video on this. But still, hope you guys enjoyed. Drop a like, subscribe for more, and peace out.